So, good evening. My name is Oluwaseyi Falola, like you know already, aka SY Crypto, or also in Crypto Smart. So tonight we're going to be talking about how to trade on DEXs. I think I already made it. The last video I uploaded on YouTube is about how to trade on DEXs, and I will be making another video. The one I did with them was about how to trade on PancakeSwap. Okay, the one I did was how to use PancakeSwap, but this time around I'm going to be talking about how to use Uniswap because they are more or less related. Now, the reason why I'm saying I want to go through this is because there's a layer 2 solution to Uniswap. Everybody knows that currently Uniswap as a decentralized exchange, the fees is launched on Ethereum, and the transaction fees are quite high, like very high currently. So I will be, and there's a layer 2 solution that have given. They have a solution to actually help reduce those trading fees and like. So right now, one of them, I'm only going to be talking about one of them right now. I'll give the name for the second one because they are I'm only going to do one, so you can actually check out the rest. I will give the name for the second one. The model for everything is the same thing. I'm going to upload the videos on YouTube as well, so you can actually check it out, and you can check the description to get the links also. So this one actually is called Optimism. There's Arbitrum, there's Optimism. Optimism and Arbitrum are actually layer 2 solutions that help reduce these Uniswap MEVs. We call them MEVs, minor extractable values. They're actually one of the algorithm and one of the things in place on Ethereum that makes the fees high. So Arbitrum and Optimism, like I said. So Optimism is what I'm going to be sharing tonight. How you can actually use Optimism and how you can transfer your fund and trade on it. Now, like I said in the last video I uploaded, I said whenever you hear about DEXs, decentralized exchanges, the best thing for you to do is to participate on any DEX you hear about, because most of these DEXs tends to give airdrops. Uniswap did their own for everybody, for all the wallets that connect to decentralized exchange, to the Uniswap decentralized exchange. They receive I think 400 units, right? Yeah, 400 units. For what's it called? The YDX did their own. That was the latest one for the YDX. For everyone that interacted and deposited and traded on the YDX, they earn airdrops, and the last, I think for per wallet, I think is around $16,000, and we have people that have up to 10, 20 wallets. So we have somebody that actually earned up to $200,000 as airdrops. These are free money on the Uniswap network. Actually earn free money like that airdrop. So like that I'm saying, whenever you hear about any decentralized exchange, it is best for you to actually try to trade. Sometimes the fees might be high. Charlie is on Ethereum, the fees might be high, but it's best for you to trade on them, right? So that is what I'm going to be talking about. And one of them, Uniswap have done with this. One of the ones that actually integrating on Uniswap currently is Arbitrum and Optimism. So I'm going to be talking about Optimism. I think let's go to the Optimism website. You can check it out. Yeah, this is the main ecosystem. This is the website. The first thing about Optimism, the first thing you want to do on Optimism is to deposit your fund, because they have a different platform. So they already have an interface that looks like that of Uniswap, where you can actually get to connect your wallet and deposit fund. Now, for you to actually be able to use the layer 2 solution of Optimism, you need to move your fund from the layer 1 Ethereum, V1 Ethereum, the version 1 Ethereum, to the Optimism platform. That is gateway.optimism.io. So what the first thing you want to do is to connect your wallet, right? So if you connect your wallet right now, that means you must have either Wallet Connect or MetaMask or any wallet, or Dextra wallet when Dextra wallet launched. Now the thing is, if you're going to be using any DEX, decentralized exchange, you must be able to connect with. You only be able to connect with non-custodial wallet. Example of non-custodial wallets are called wallets that gives you your private keys, and And some actually have multi-signatures to where you can actually be able to sign transaction, approve transaction. That is like the likes of MetaMask, like of Harmony One, likes of Max Wallet, IM Tokens, Trust Wallet, and upcoming Dex Fiat wallets. And I think SafeSwap, SafePal as well. But I think blockchain cannot do that for now. Blockchain is kind of centralized in a way, especially their exchange is kind of centralized in a way. So that is one of the reasons why I do and advise people to actually make sure they store their fund on decentralized exchanges, on decentralized wallet, I mean non-custodial wallet, because for non-custodial wallet, you're the one in charge of your money. For custodial wallet, you're not the one in charge of your money. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is when you come to gateway.optimism.io, it's for you to connect your wallet, right? So when I click on connect wallet, it's going to prompt me which am I connect, wallet connect. With this wallet connect can help you connect any wallet that has wallet connect integration on it. It can be Trust Wallet, Time Token, any other wallet. But let's say I'm going to be using MetaMask. So using MetaMask, connecting my Meta, because the network I am on, you can say is writing network not supported right now because I am currently on Ethereum. Right, so I will need to change. Yeah, is that okay? I will need to change my network to the Optimism network. Now I'm current. Okay, if you look at the network I am right now, I'm on ZK. That's actually another airdrop I'm going to, but I have not been able to fine tune it successfully. That is why I'm not going to be talking about that now. So this is what we have: Ethereum. Let's connect MetaMask. Now, when you connect your MetaMask, the first thing it's going to ask you is for you to deposit. You can either deposit or withdraw. Now, like I'm trying to say, when you deposit on Optimism, you can deposit any amount of money. I've already done deposits, so I'm not going to be doing it again. I've already done deposits. Okay, so you can enter the amount. This from the Ethereum mainnet. Let's say you have 0.02 Ethereum. It's going to deposit exactly at the same. This is from the mainnet. That is Ethereum mainnet to Optimism Ethereum main net. So you click on deposit, it's going to show you the summary, approve. Then when you click on deposit, it's going to ask you to, it's going to prompt your, what's it called? It's going to prompt you to confirm the transaction. Now, this confirmation is going to request for fees. Now, this is the annoying part. You're going to still, for you to deposit, you have to pay that Ethereum fees, right? Currently, it's telling me insufficient fund, right? Why? Because the maximum actually currently trying to charge me about $175. Estimated gap is $77. That is one of the issues with Ethereum. That is why we're trying to move on Optimism. Now, I would advise you to actually, that's one of the, before it was, okay, you can see it's changing around 80. If I actually waited to around 12 o'clock on Sundays, the fees normally drop to around $20, $30. I would advise you to probably do it during this period, or you can do it late at night, or probably early in the morning. The fees tends to drop. Okay, it changes and like. So it is best for you to, I would advise you to manage and pay the fees and just deposit at once. Because once you do the one-time deposit, you can be able to trade with a lower fee, sometimes $1. The fees on Optimism, like sometimes 10 cents, 6 cents, $1, $2, sometimes like that. So it is quite cheaper on Optimism than you using Ethereum. Okay. So right now I'm going to reject it because I don't even want to deposit anything, right? So I'm going to, for you, you have to approve for the amount you're going to get. This is the value in USD. So once you make the deposit and it gets confirmed, the fund is going to leave your mainnet, that is your wallet, into the Optimist mainnet. Right now, I already have, because I want to, then after depositing, the next thing is for you. You can also withdraw if I have my fund here. Like right now, yeah, if you want to withdraw, just the same thing as you want to trade, you have to switch. It will ask you to switch from the Ethereum mainnet to get to the Optimist mainnet. That is, the wallet is auto installed on your wallet. Okay, as I'm switching network right now. So switching network, that is when because the fund is on the Optimism network. You can see the summary here. Withdrawal on the standard gateway takes 7 days. After placing withdrawal, it takes about 7 days for you to actually get your withdrawal processed. So this is where I have actually made some trade, and this is where if I want to withdraw, I can just enter maximum, and I'll get to withdraw all the Ethereum I have left on here. your estimated gas fee has been subtracted from the balance. That is, this is it. So we click on withdrawal. Then it's going to prompt me again. Once I click withdraw, it's going to prompt my wallet for me to assign the transaction. Okay, and you can see I'm going to be paying this fee. You can look at it, you can check the fees for me to pay right now. The fees from Optimism, if you're comparing the fees on Optimism to the fees on Ethereum, you can see how low it is, like very, very low. That is all you're going to be paying to withdraw. It is very, very cheap. That is the solution they're actually bringing on Ethereum, especially on Uniswap, so that user can be actually be able to trade on Uniswap. And from the news I'm hearing, I'm not withdrawing anyway. From the news I'm hearing, Uniswap is actually planning to implement Optimism directly on Uniswap, so you actually be able to use it directly. Okay, so right now we can, after depositing, the next thing is for you to go to trade, and that is where we are right now. And if you look at my wallet, I am currently on the Optimism network. This is the Ethereum network. This is Optimism gateway. So selecting Optimism gateway, then I can actually be able to trade. How do you trade? You can, this is swapping, right? You can select, let's say I want to trade with Ethereum, then I select the token. Now, one of the issues we have right now on this is because not all tokens, not all the tokens are on Optimism for now. Not all tokens are on Optimism. You can see what we have right now, just write Bitcoin, USDT, S, synthetic USDT, synthetic link, synthetic BTC, RGT links and the like. So those are the ones we have currently on Optimism. So that is on the only downside for now. I believe by the time Uniswap actually integrates Optimism directly, fully, we're going to have more tokens listed on it. So right now, just advise you to make a deposit and make sure you just purchase a coin. Let's say you purchase a link or something valuable or something that is not stable. So you purchase and you, after selecting the coin, okay, let me just select a coin. Not buying anything anyway. You just select a coin and I'll be spending 0.01 to buy a link. It's going to give me the summary of what I'm going to be buying. Now, I'm going to show you the reason why I said switching to Optimism is better, right? Then click on swap. Look at swap. The fees, the slippage is very low. The fees you're going to be paying is like very, very low. Now, it's going to ask you to confirm the transaction. I click on confirm. It's going to prompt your wallet, either whatever wallet if it's Trust Wallet you're connecting to. It's prompting. Look at the fees you're paying, 0.000419. Like very, very low fees compared to if it is on Ethereum. Let's check this on the value on the net right now. Let's see what it's like. Let me see. You can see this is just about $1, just about $1, just $1.5, $1.56. That's the value, and that's the fees you're paying on Optimism. If it were on Uniswap, directly on Uniswap, the fees is going to be going to, that is what we saw initially, around $80, $70. So it is actually quite cheaper to actually trade on Optimism. So right now, I'm not signing the transaction. I'm going to be canceling it. I'm not buying link. I'm buying link here. I already have link. So I'm going to be rejecting it. Okay, that DEX is like Arbitrum. I think I didn't open Arbitrum, right? The reason why I don't want to try, I am still skeptical. And now, especially if you want to select any coin, you want to trade any coin, like I said in the last video, it is best for you to go through the coin market cap or CoinGecko. Those are where the correct smart contract address or the correct URLs are listed. Else, you might not be able to actually get the right ones. So it is best for you to actually go through the general platform so that you'll be able to get the correct smart contract address or the correct URL to the correct for the link or for the platform or interface you're looking for. Like if I want to check Bitcoin Ethereum website right now, just don't type Ethereum website on Google to give you, you might actually get a cloned one or a false one. So it's best for you to actually come to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to actually, that's the major market for cryptocurrency, to actually get the correct link there. So let's check for Arbitrum. Arbitrum, okay, Arbitrum is going to do Arbitrum. Wow, Uniswap, Arbitrum. All of them have actually, these are SushiSwap Arbitrum, integration on Arbitrum right now. Okay, just the same way the integrated Optimism, Arbitrum is also being integrated. I think Arbitrum already had the token, I'm not sure. So the same thing you're doing on Optimism, these are potential platform where you actually can get free money. Like if you miss that of the YDX, you don't want to miss this because this is actually going to be huge. That of what's it called? Just a potential airdrop. I'm not saying they will definitely. I'm not saying they must or they will, but there is a potential of them dropping. So if you really want to benefit from the airdrop, it is best for you to actually integrate your wallet. You can connect as many wallets on the platform as you want. So if they decide to give airdrop, your wallet will actually be snapshotted and you'll be able to get the token. That is all I'm trying to say. So it works for Arbitrum, works on Arbitrum, works on Optimism for now. Those are the ones I have for now. So if you have any question, please let me know. I mean, yeah, you can speak. How the withdrawal, you can see the withdrawal fee is about $1.32. Very, very low compared to what you'll be getting if you trade directly on Uniswap. So the downside to it right now is just that the fees, this thing is not all tokens are actually integrated on it for now. That's only the downside to it. Beside that, it is best for you to actually trade on them so that when they decide to give airdrops, you will be able to participate and be able to get your own token. It's free money. Airdrops. Whenever you hear anything about airdrops, whenever you hear platform having potential of giving airdrops, don't hold back from it. Just try to participate on the platform so that your wallet can be snapshotted. So that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. In the absence of questions, then I would like to call it a day. Mr. Taiwo, do you have a question?
No questions, sir.
Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll make the video available as well on the Telegram on YouTube, so you can. I'll drop the link on Telegram channel as well. Thank you all for joining, and do have a amazing night. And don't forget to trade smartly.
All right, thank you. All right.